Hey, what's up, guys? I wanted to share with you a niche that I found that is starting to trend. But before I get into it, I want to show or share with you two courses that I just uploaded just in the past couple of days. So one is for Merch by Amazon, and another one is for Redbubble. So here's the one I just uploaded yesterday, Merch by Amazon Masterclass. It's only $19.99, and it gets you 16 lessons with over 1 hour of highly valuable content to help you become successful on merch. Here are my credentials. So you can see I have over 10,000 sales and I've done over 35,000 in royalties. And then I have a Redbubble course as well. And it's pretty much the same thing. It's $19.99. You get 20 lessons over an hour of content. And here are my Redbubble credentials. You can see over the summer I did pretty good. 266 a month, 300, and 248. So if you're like a beginner on merch, a beginner on Redbubble, or you're struggling to get sales on either one of these platforms, you might want to consider taking one of these courses. Again, it's only $19.99. The links will be in the description. Okay, now let's get back to the video here. So the trend or the niche is actually in the autism niche, and you might be thinking, oh, why is autism? That passed. That's in April, but there's actually a world or an international autism day in October. All right, so that's why you're going to probably start seeing some more autism shirts coming out. And this is the phrase right here. Where is it? It's choose to include. All right, if we look on test to see if it's trademarked, you're going to see nothing pops up. What does pop up here is a trademark that has been canceled. So right here you see that it's been canceled and nothing is in the 025 category. If you want me to make a video on how to understand trademarks, how to read trademarks, understand how trademarks work, let me know in the comments. But when it says canceled like this, you're good to go. And then if we take a look at the competition on merch, you're going to see there's only 178 results. The majority of the designs are with people using the wavy text, like sunflowers, the rainbows. The way I would probably go at this niche is I would probably just go into Amazon and I would search for like autism shirts, and here we're going to see some of the best ones, and I would make something kind of similar like this, but I would just change the text to say choose to include. If you go to Vexels, I have an affiliate link in the description. You're going to see you get some nice clip art, some nice graphics here, and you can just take these clip art and then you can just write the text right underneath or on top or on bottom and just write choose to include, and bam, you got a nice design right there. And if we look at the competition on Etsy, Etsy is very, very low. If you guys aren't selling on Etsy, I would highly recommend it. It's actually my best-selling platform out of all the 5 that I use: Merch, Etsy, Redbubble, TeePublic, and Spreadshirt. But Etsy is the one I have the most success on. And with the results, with only 154, it's a great opportunity. And you can see everybody's pretty much doing the same thing with the wavy text and the rainbow. So if you were to come in here with something like this, be a little different, you might have a good shot to get some sales. Redbubble competition is 2,700. Redbubble usually always has the most competition because it's you don't have to apply to get approved on Redbubble. You don't have to pay anything. You can just create an account, upload a design, and you can be making sales on that same day. So there's probably always going to be the most competition on Redbubble, but still a great platform to sell on. And then TeePublic. TeePublic has always very little competition as well, and I don't even see anything. So nothing on TeePublic yet. So this could be a good opportunity for us since we have World Autism Month in October 2022. So get your designs up. Check out Vexels. Try and do something maybe unique, because I think everybody's already doing the wavy text or with the boho rainbows. So that's probably the route I would take. You can check out the affiliate link in the description. And like I said, if you're a beginner on merch, you're a beginner on Redbubble, or you're just struggling to get sales, consider taking this class. It's pretty jam-packed with a lot of good info. I pretty much hold nothing back and try and give you guys the best tips as possible to become successful with print on demand, on merch, and by Redbubble. All right, so that's the video for today. If you like this kind of content, consider subscribing. I pretty much put out videos almost on a daily basis, showing you designs that are trending, design ideas, because I know we can get stuck sometimes. We don't know what to design, so this is a good channel to give you some good ideas on trending niches that can make you some money. All right, so if you like that kind of content, like I said, consider subscribing, click the bell. Check out my channel because I have playlists of other design ideas that you might be interested. And that's basically it. All right, thanks for watching the video, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.